And I go, dude, how much you making now? Because I see him hustling. I see him like walking around with all these dogs. I'm like, and his prices went up over the last few years.
Yeah.
Like when I first had him watch my cats, it was like $25. Now it's like $40 for a session. I'm like, I go, dude, what are you making? Like $500-600 a day? He goes, I go, 1,000? I go, 2,000? He goes, I go, 3? He goes, around 3K a day. I go, what? Walking dogs. And I go, he goes, now it's 7 days a week. It's a grind.
Yeah.
I've got 3 employees now who are like
just
walking dogs, but he's like the go-to guy in Beverly Hills. And he's like independent. He's not with some, you know, big dog walking company or something, but $3,000 a day walking dogs. I go, there's a need, especially in this community where people are busy, but they love their dogs and they have money to spend on their dogs.
Yeah.
And he is providing a service. It's incredible. $3,000 a day, man. It's crazy.
I love this
I'm in the wrong business. I need to be walking dogs, you know?
I love this example because it's perfect, because everyone can understand it.